Hi, my name's Aaron, and this is my portable little mini fridge. I made it out of an Rubbermaid cooler. It's a little mini cooler. It is running right now. Got 12 volt, 6 amp, 60 watt power supply. Here's the outside heat sink with a fan on it. I'm running Peltier in it, and have it insulated. It's inside. There's the fan at the Peltier cool heat sink, and inside I do have a cold pop in there. I got my thermal gauge meter right here, so I can do some readings. So let's talk about it. Alright, this is my Rubbermaid mini fridge made from Peltier and heat sinks. This is the front, the door obviously, and that's the back with the fan and the heat sink. I already told you the power supply. It's 12.5 amp, 12 volts at 5 amps at 60 watts, and runs off these 3 wires, giving it power at 120 volts. Got a fan on the back, obviously. Got a fan on the inside. Got my pop in here. You can see the heat sink with the fan in there. Let's do some readings. So you can already see the box is about, the front door is 68 degrees. Now when we open it, I don't know if you can see those numbers. Let's see how cold the pop is. Pop is 52.1, and the heat sink is 42 degrees, 46. So I left the door open for so long. It was 22 degrees when I first aimed it at the heatsink, but you leave the door open on these, it cools down or heats up pretty fast. So now it's gonna cool down again. I have styrofoam insulation in here. Even though the cooler is insulated itself, I added more insulation. I've had this on for now at least 8 hours and no problems. This is actually the one design I did where the Peltier didn't burn out. It maintained its coolness, and this time I'm using the power supply. I do have an extra power supply to show what type I'm using. This is the power supply, and pretty simple supply. You get 5 connections, low, neutral, or live, neutral, ground, 12 volt negative and 12 volt positive, and then you got a volt adjuster right there, and you can increase the power. So if you have, like how I have it on there, where there's 2 fans and a Peltier running off these 2 right here, you can actually increase the amount of power going to it, so it maintains its power, so it doesn't lose power from like the fan sucking up all the power. Very simple. I put this together with a glue gun. I'd probably recommend using better glues, but for right now this works. If I wanted to take this in the car, I could plug it in one of those power inverters and go traveling, have a little mini fridge in the car. Let's take a little closer look at it so you can see what I did here. See, all these are for the power going in, so this is the input, and then you got the output, which is the fan, 2 fans in the Peltier connected to that's right there. These positive is the white, black is the negative, and green is the ground. Show you, see all that. I actually didn't have to adjust everything. These are pretty weak fans, so I didn't have to adjust the voltage on that little knob there near the LED. But that's that. Inside here, close that for a quick second. So you can actually see the readings. It's pretty freaking cold in there. As soon as you open it, you can feel a little gush of cold air. So yeah, that's that. This is my mini fridge, Peltier mini fridge. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and let me know what you think.